Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my outdoors channel. In this quick tip video, I'm going to show you about a sharpener that carries inside the belt buckle for this bucklehead knife that I wear every day. And this is part of a kit for my everyday carry for self-defense. I recently did a video on that, so that would update you and show you how the knife sharpener carries inside this. And very handy to have, so you don't have to go fumbling around somewhere trying to find your sharpener if you need to get a sharp. And it's useful for sharpening a lot of different things too. So also I'll put links here below for bucklehead.com and also the YouTube channel here on YouTube, and a link to the specific video about this knife sharpener and how this works. They do a great job at explaining it. But I just wanted to give you an update on this and also provide that link for you so you can see how it works. So stay tuned, I'll show you how I do this. So I take this buckle here, take the knife off, and what it shows is I have the knife sharpener sitting inside cavity inside the belt here, or inside the buckle. What I'll do is take the tip of the knife, pull it up so I can pull this out, and what this is the sharpener. It's got a knurled handle on here for holding. This is a carbide rod for doing the sharpening, and as you can see, it's rounded and then it's got a flat on it. The point where the rounded part and the flat part meet is fairly sharp edge there. I don't worry about cutting myself too much, but I suppose if you apply enough force, you will cut yourself. And what I do is take my knife blade and I put this on there so that it's flat like that, and then I rotate it so it's up a little bit, and then I run that along the edge of my knife to sharpen. And same on the other side. And remember again, it's you're in the flat, rotate it forward a little bit, and then you move it along to sharpen the blade. Now put this away, put this back into the buckle here, and this O-ring here is what securely holds it inside this cavity in the belt buckle there. Then you put your knife back in, and it's in there secure. It ain't going to fall out. Even when you're taking your knife out, it's not going to fall out on you. Very handy little sharpener to have along. Stores compactly inside the buckle. And you can use that sharpener for sharpening just about anything else you can get it on, including other kinds of knives, scissors, whatever. So that's how that works. Also, there are videos at bucklehead.com, and also they have a channel here on YouTube. I'll put links below to the video that they have on this sharpener and how it works, so you can see another vantage or viewpoint and explanation as they get it too. I probably don't explain it as well as they do, but just wanted to pass this on since it kind of matches up with some of the EDC kit that I had recently put out a video on. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and you got some inspiration from it, and maybe get one of these sharpeners if you get one of those bucklehead knives. Anyways, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and share it with your family, friends, and fellow outdoors persons. Also, please give me your comments. Love to hear what you think, your ideas, and any suggestions. Get a lot of great ideas from you. And please subscribe, and be sure to hit that bell icon so you won't miss anything. Thank you.